In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Taobao account 2025, step by step. First, open your preferred browser, Chrome, Edge, or Firefox all work well, and go to world.taobao.com. If you land on a general page, you can jump straight to the sign-in portal at login.taobao.com. Because Taobao often displays in Chinese, feel free to use your browser's built-in translate feature if you need it. In Chrome, for example, you can right-click the page and choose Translate to English. On the sign-in screen, look for the Register option. You'll usually see Login and Register side by side, or the Register link just under the Login box. Click Register to begin creating your account. You'll be asked to select your country or region, open the country drop-down, and choose the one that matches your mobile number, such as the Philippines with the +63 code, or the correct code for your location. This is important because Taobao will send a verification code to that number. Make sure the SIM is active and can receive SMS messages. Virtual or internet-only numbers may not work. Next, enter your mobile number without the leading 0. Since the country code already covers the international prefix, dropping that first 0 ensures the number is formatted correctly. Once your number is in, click Next. You'll now complete a quick slider verification. Drag the slider so the puzzle piece fits into place. If it doesn't pass on the first try, just try again or refresh the challenge. It's there to confirm you're not a bot. Taobao will send a 6-digit code to your phone by SMS. Enter that code in the field provided. These codes expire quickly, so type it in as soon as it arrives. If you don't receive it right away, wait a moment, confirm you have signal, and then use the resend option if it appears. Now create your password. Aim for 6 to 20 characters, and use a mix of letters and numbers. A strong password is key to keeping your account secure, so avoid obvious patterns and consider storing it in a password manager for safekeeping. When you're happy with it, click Confirm or Next. Before continuing, you'll see checkboxes for the user agreement and privacy policy. Review them if you'd like. Your browser's translate tool can help, then check the boxes and click Agree to proceed. That's it. Your Taobao account is created. You'll be redirected to the login or home page where you can sign in with your mobile number and new password. From there, you can start browsing, and later you can complete your profile and add a shipping address when you're ready to shop.